Hello, hello. wellness-focused residence in Dubai Island. Only 50 apartments in a boutique building and views of water spaces steps away from the promenade and branded private beach. Leader by Properties, a new wellness-focused residence in Dubai Island. Only 50 apartments in a boutique building and views of water and green spaces steps away from the promenade and branded private beach. Residents will enjoy private cabanas, relaxation gardens, recovery suites, infinite saunas, oxygen therapy, and full wellness concierge. Starting from 860 square feet and over Q4 2027 with flexible payment plan up to 3.5% discount. If you're looking for a home that supports your lifestyle, health, your
All right, guys. Let's get this set up. Guys, let me know if you guys can hear the music in the chat. Because I was replaying the stream and there's no music and it's just looked a little bit weird, eh? So let me know. Let me know if you can hear the music now. I think it should be all right. Should be able to hear the music. Let me see. Yeah. It should be all right. Yeah. All right. Nah, we need some music, man. Sounds a bit weird, eh? All right. How about now? Can you hear some music now? You should be able to hear some music now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. Low, okay. Let's crank it up then. How about now? Is that any better? Let me know if it's too high. That's loud. Okay. Let's get it down to 17. How about that? Is that alright? Or still too loud? Let's crank it down a little bit more. What about now? That should be fine, right? Alright. 15% lower. Okay. About there? Okay. All right. That should be all right then. 29. Let me see ATAS. Yeah, that's all right. Okay. All right, got some music going. Market has been selling off, guys. We need to be very careful today. Yeah, we got to be careful today. It's Thursday again. Jobless claims came pretty much in line again. Let's have a look. All right. Yeah. So market right now is trying to move higher. We've been selling off all day today. We've sold off from top to bottom around 350 points already. That's probably not the end of it. I don't think that's the end of it. I think we're going to come lower and fill this that pump that we had on the ceasefire news. I think we're going to come and fill that. But we really don't know where this is going to reverse from. Okay, so we need to be very, very careful today with our longs. Today is going to be a difficult day, in my opinion. I can already feel that it's going to be a difficult day. I have a short target. If this market pumps, we are pumping right now. I think if we get into here, I'm going to be looking for a short. If we don't sell off from here, I think the market might just fly then back into previous day value area. Okay, I won't be looking for any shorts above this region. So yeah, plan is simple. If we start moving down, I'm going to be looking for the market to come and fill this imbalance. We have a potential for a long here because it's a big, large gamma level, and that should correspond with 6,500 on the SPX, hopefully. Yeah. And yeah, ES is 6,500 big gamma level, and that will also mean that this FVG is going to get filled fully. So let's mark that out. Go. I'll drop this down to 30-minute. Yeah, same thing. Yeah. All right. Yeah, even with ES major resistance 6610 today. With NQ it's around 220s, 230s. Okay, that is where the VWAP is as well. So if the market wants to go there and present me with a shorting opportunity, then that's what I'm going to do. I am not taking any shorts from here. Give me a sec. I just need a toilet, guys. 1 second. All right. All right, guys. We're about 8 minutes away from the open. Yeah, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Yeah, I wish we had a bot that just syncs with the chat, and every time there's a red like folder news, because it's so news sensitive, this market at the moment. As soon as that happens, it would be nice if the bot just gave us the text so we could see it as soon as it happens. So financial juice synced with YouTube chat, that would be amazing. Every time red folder happens, it just pings you a notification in the chat. That would be awesome. I'm pretty sure there is a way to do that though. I'm pretty sure there will be a way. But that's why we need Tiki. All right. Yeah, we're getting rejected so far from this air pocket. Right, a few more minutes to go. Yeah, I do think they're gonna get up here. Stop all these shorts, late shorts. Yeah. There's quite a lot of them piled in there. Let's see what happens at the open. All right, a few more minutes, guys. Be careful with your trades, guys, today, all right? It's Thursday, remember. Thursdays are not easy. And the way this market's already moving, it's not going to be an easy day, in my opinion. So we need to keep our profits and not give them all back on a Thursday, okay? I don't mind Fridays. I don't think Fridays has historically been that bad for me personally. Thursdays are literally like been my worst days, okay? So I'm extra cautious on Thursdays. I'll just wait and wait and wait. And to be honest, yeah, I have my metrics and the market's telling me, you know, unless you see something really clear, stay out of it. Now, some people do well though, especially people that are trading Asia session, you know, Asia and London session. Like, market always seems to go down on Thursdays during Asia and London especially. So I bet those guys are probably doing really well trading London and Asia session. Yeah, I feel this pump is coming. Minute left. Oof, what a drop. Set the bulls up there. Yeah, this is moving crazy, guys, so be very careful here. This is moving crazy. All right. Let me get some new gamma levels. Okay. There's sticky trade in the chart because this is expected to move higher is above the price, which doesn't make any sense. Sticky, if you're in here, that'd be nice. This expected move is not making any sense. It's below the price already. Yeah, I copied and pasted these 930 levels, and the expected move, my friend, is above the price, which is not making any sense. It looks crazy, eh? What's ES doing? Okay. I mean, the base is apply basis shift, right? Is it right now? I thought that was supposed to be selected. Let me see mine, he says. Okay. It looks right now, to be honest. But that's toggling the basis shift off. If I turn it on, it skews it. Yeah, it's selected. So when I selected it, it's messing with the levels. See, the expected move now is expected move lower is higher than the price. Yes, okay, let me copy over the ES levels. Okay. Oops. Yeah, ES looks right. ES looks right. NQ is looking wrong though. Let me try it again with NQ. Yeah, it's not looking right on NQ. Yeah, I did. 65.46. Not implied. I'm talking about expected. I don't have it. I don't have implied move. I'm talking about the expected move lower on NQ. It's higher than the price, which is not making any sense. It makes sense on ES. It makes sense on ES, but it's not making sense on NQ here. Let me see spot gamma's levels. Okay, that's a big gamma level. Yeah, I did. I updated the levels, yeah. I'm copying and pasting these levels. 530, the ones, these ones. I copied and pasted them. I'll do it again. You see? Still the same. Expected move is here. No worries. Let me know if you've when you fixed it. Okay. Yeah, so these gamma levels are way down. If you lose this one, damn. So it's gonna be a free fall. Now, this is a big level because, yeah, you lose that, it's gonna be nasty, I think. Yeah, it's right into it now. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a long here. Just gonna try it out. It looks like a liquidation candle. We should get some reprieve here. It should bounce. It should hold this gamma level, especially right at the beginning of the day. Point of control shifted to the bottom as well. Now this should be a nice move, eh? I think we could really pump here. We've got to get above 410 though. 410 is holding the price down. Not 410, 110, which is pretty much the point of control. All right, let's go. Let's pump it. Yeah, they're really holding the price there. 410's not letting it go down. Not letting it go back up. They're holding price. That's going to be a tough level to crack here for bulls. Hopefully we can blast past it. Come on, NQ, let's go. Beautiful, let's go. Just keeps getting stuck at all that volume that's built there. It really needs to push through. If it pushes through, this is going to trap him. It's trying. Nice. Keep going. Don't push. Don't come back down. Come on, let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what we want to see, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Take it off right there. Let's go. Fucking beautiful. All right, I'm out. Found the NDX used. Yeah, large gamma worked. Spot gamma had the same level as the large gamma as well. That's a C2, same as yours. So that was nice. Found the issue yesterday's open. About run faster than market a few seconds after. Okay, so you're gonna delay releasing the levels a little bit later. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, this is looking like a monster now. It's got him trapped. That was beautiful. Very nice. Look at this flying now. How was it, K-Doc? Oh, that was awesome, guys. Look at this fly now. Look at this thing flying. Look at this thing go. Ooh wee. Wow. Should have fucking held it, huh? Yeah, I think because... Yeah, this psychological Thursday thing is really getting to me, eh? Look at this thing. Look at this thing flying. Oh my word. Tell me this gamma stuff doesn't work, eh? Tell me this gamma stuff doesn't work. 130 points in like 5 minutes. Fucking ridiculous. Absolutely beautiful. I should have held that trade. Yeah, ES is right on resistance right now. Yeah, market's looking to trade a bit higher though. Major resistance level though on ES, so watch for a pullback here. Yeah, they're trying to slam it here, guys. Be careful. I was looking for NQ to go up a little bit higher. I was going to take a short. Hopefully it reaches up there. I'll probably take a short trade from it. That looks like a news thing though. It's giving me news vibes. Okay, Iran's waiting for US's response. NQ's contesting with the VWAP. Yeah, a lot of shorts are getting absorbed here, but how long can the bulls absorb? It's very heavy selling. Oof. Yeah, NQ's got some really heavy selling going on here. Oof. Wow. Yeah, this is some really heavy selling so far. Bull stepping back in though. They need to hold here. Yeah, they're stepping in. It's looking bearish though. It's looking bearish, I must say. Yeah, they're selling this. Yeah, they're trapping longs here, guys. They're trying to trap some longs. If it comes up here, I'm going to short it. Just a sec, guys. All right, guys, I'm short here. Let's see if it works out. The delta is not favoring bulls here, okay? The order flow is not favoring the bulls. They're squeezing. But yeah, let's see. Oh, man. Yeah, they're getting really, really bullish, aren't they? Let's see what happens anyways. Just as fast as it's gone down, gone up, it should come down pretty quickly as well. Yeah, bulls are trying to do a lot of absorbing here. Because market orders are not really coming in that aggressively for the bulls. I think order book is really thin today, by the looks of it. Come on, bring it down. Let's go. Let's go. Slam it. Let's go. This is the pop above VWAP. That usually gets retraced. Yeah, the shorts are not really coming in that aggressively. Man, this is still looking bullish, eh? Really weak attempt there by the bulls, but who knows? Still hugging the VWAP. This should come down. Honestly, this should come down. Everything looks like it's going to come down here. From the order flow perspective. It's major resistance. This should get 50-60 point pullback. For sure. I'm pretty confident that it will. Alright. Starting to... Yeah, nice little move down. Keep going. Come on, don't stop there. Alright, there we go. That's better. Keep moving it down. Let's go. Come on, don't stop here. Keep moving this market down. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Where's... Fucking... Where is he? Where's K-Dog? Look at this thing. Look at this thing fall apart now, brother. What's up? Let's go. Slam it, baby. Slam it. I'm going to hold this thing. I'm going to hold this thing, guys. I think there's going to be big targets coming. I'm going to hold. I'm not going to prematurely get out of this like I did the other trade. Look at this. We're up over 50 points on this. Let's go. Woo! Damn, boy. Let's go. Oh, yeah. New 30-minute candles opening. I think there's some fucking news going on here right now. There's some crazy shit going on. Iran has reviewed the US proposal. Yeah. Wow. Look at this pump now. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah, this is news. This is news. I'm going to keep her on anyways. This is news, guys. Damn. Wow, look at that pump. I'm going to keep her on. I'm gonna keep it going. I think it's gonna come down. Yeah, there you go. Iran doesn't believe it. Yeah, Tiki, this is what I was going to ask you. Is there a way to sync financial juice as it comes in with the YouTube chat? Is there a way to do that so we can get it like a bot that can just paste the red folder stuff directly into the chart as soon as it comes in. Is there a way to do that? Yeah, this wick is going to get revisited, that's for sure. So I'm going to hold this short. Yeah. Yeah, whatever workaround there is, man, that would be really amazing. If we could have something like that, that would be so fucking useful, especially in this market right now. Come on, Bass, slam it. Let's go. Yeah, it'll be so good, man. Yeah, let's see. Still in this trade. They could come up and sweep this and then come down. They tend to do that sometimes, but I'm gonna hold on. I think they're gonna bring this thing down. That's for sure. Where is K-Dog though? Yeah, that's probably what they're gonna do here. Probably gonna sweep into here and then come back down. K-Dog's hiding. Is the market that scary, K-Dog, eh? Alright, let's see. Yeah, they're at half cap as well. Okay. Alright, they're selling it. There she goes. Yeah, scary market, isn't it, K-Dog? These tweets, this news is so sensitive to news. I'm okay holding this. I'm bearish on the day. This is the level we were waiting for, remember? Pre-market, we had our plan, we gotta go for it. Plus, we already got one good trade in the bank so far. Yeah. I'm not taking profits until it gets down to here. Oh, he's holding a cabinet meeting. Okay. Yeah, this shit is annoying, eh? Alright. Alright, I got CNN on the TV, so when it comes on, I'll just watch it on there. Alright, yeah, there you go. The market's swept. That was my thinking. Now it's coming back down. So my take profit is going to be around here, guys. I am not taking profits on this short until we get down here. And I think it's going to come down there. Yeah. Showing rejection at the minute. It usually does that. When you have a major resistance level, it'll pull back, it'll come and sweep it, and then the real move off the rejection will happen. It's like almost like it, you know, they know there's a resistance there. They come and take you out first, and then they pull it back. Yeah, see? Yeah, this is what they do, man. I've been in this game too long for these motherfuckers trying to fool me. But you get in because you think maybe they don't come back up, you know? So it's a catch-22. Especially for shorts. I see them doing that on shorts a lot more than longs. They're trying to hold this level. I think it's gonna fail. And we're gonna come down into here. Back towards the lows. Just a matter of time, in my opinion. K-Dot, how's your trading going today? Did you take the long? Did you take the short? How was it? Small short. What about the long? You didn't take this long? And hold it like a champ? I chickened out too early. I don't want to chicken out on this short though. Nice, K-Rock. They're gonna do this all day. I'll bring it back up, then they'll bring it back down. Yeah, they're gonna do it all day. Any more news? Alright, he's holding a cabinet meeting. Yes. Yeah, they're trying to pump it, getting stuck at the V-bar. They're trying to pump it again. This is a tough trade. It's gonna make us wait. Well, if I want the big dough, then I have to wait. We could take this trade and then sign off for the day. That's what I'm thinking. Don't need to trade again. That's what I wanna. That's kind of what I want, to be honest. I don't want to be in this mess on Thursday. Man, bulls are really trying to pump this thing, eh? They're not making it easy. They're really trying to pump this thing. Yeah, they're fucking traders left and right today, on both sides. very indecisive around this area. What it wants to do. I'm not liking the fact that it's consolidating though. I still think it's going to play out. Alright, see ya, K-Doc. I'll stay on until we finish this trade. Probably gonna have to wait until the next 30-minute candle opens for this to make its real move down. Give us a sec, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. Market is making this a tough one, but I think it's gonna happen, guys. I think it's gonna come down. It's gonna give me what I want. It's looking really weak. Let's turn this into a 5 minute. It's looking weak, guys. I think it's gonna come down. It's just a matter of time. Point of control's also shifted to the highs. Yeah, this is not looking strong if you're a bull, anyways. Trump's gonna speak soon. Yeah, I'm okay holding this. I'm gonna wait until it comes down into these lower prices. Everything dead. Yeah, I'm still all right holding this short. I believe in this resistance zone, so I take the trade and let it play. Yeah. Okay, new 30-minute candle just open. So, yeah, well, at least 135. Yeah, down to here, I'll probably take it off. Just making a tough job out of this. Really tough job out of it. Yeah, they're making a career out of this, eh? Just every fucking dump, they just seem to keep pumping it back up. This is crazy. Well, without any real velocity, though. The orders behind it is just not very strong. This order book is thin today. It's very illiquid. They're moving it with light orders, which is not a good sign. All right, let's go. Made us work for this trade. They're making us work for it. Usually my trades last like 10 minutes at max. Especially the A+ setups. They just happen right away. This one, they're making us work hard. They're trying to play with our emotions. They want us to take the trade off. That's what they want. Break even, then in the red, break even, then in the red, then in the green, then in the red, then in the green. Yeah, but I'm staying patient. I don't think Trump's talking right now, though, is he? They drop it, they pump it, they drop it, they pump it. They're playing with people today. They're literally playing with people today. That's alright. Give me my fucking take profit and then you can go and play with them. I can get out of here. That'll be two wins in a row. And yeah, that will do nicely. I'll be out of here. All right, let's go. Nice. All right, he's talking.
They're punishing the American people, including travelers at airports, falling to quest to return to open borders and give amnesty to illegal alien criminals. I want to give amnesty to some of the criminals that came into our country. Just about all of them, actually, we look at. They love sanctuary cities.
Alright, that'll do, guys. I'm out of here.
They want to make sure they're taken care of. That's what we're having.
I'm past Trump. Yeah, I'm out of here, guys. He's talking now, so this could like get really weird. And that's it. I took like 40 points off it. That's good enough. I took 50 off here, so I got about 100 points on the day. So that will do, man. That will do. All right. Good trade though. We had this box identified. We took the trade, and the rest is history. So 2 out of 2 today. Well done for those who followed along. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get some lunch. I mean dinner, sorry. Let's see what's going on around. Anyways, let's see Bitcoin. Wow, big pullback on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks bearish. Damn. I feel like it's got another leg in it. I really do. But we shall see. Yeah, see, he's talking now and the market's starting to pump. So I'm glad. Look at this now. Does this make any fucking sense to you guys? Look at this thing. Yeah, look at that. I'm glad I came out of this trade, man. At least we got 40 points off it. Not the best, but we got something. Just in time before he starts yapping. So yeah, look at this thing. It's gone. Yeah, glad we got something out of there. Yeah, 2 out of 2, guys. Thank you very much for joining. I'm out of here. Take care. Peace.